What's the meaning of abridged? Abridged. 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 Briefly, here's the definition of abridged. Abridged means shortened or condensed, especially by the omission of words or passages. An abridged version of a book is a shorter version that has been edited to remove some of the text. This can be done to make the book more accessible to a wider audience, or to save time for those who don't have the time to read the full version. While abridged versions can be helpful, it's important to remember that they may not contain all of the information that is included in the full version.